This is a laundry pod that makes clothes smell nice and soft. This is Polyva, a powerful factory specializing in manufacturing laundry pod packing machine. Today, let's go deep into the manufacturing base of Polyva to see how the equipment intelligence leader behind the daily chemical giant defines the industry standard with 99.9 yield rate. Let's go!
The production of laundry pods goes through 12 processes, such as formulation, emulsification, filling, packaging, and quality testing.
And in this production equipment, the core is the high-speed automatic pod packing machine.
With a production speed of nearly 1,000 pieces per minute, it performs fully automated operations from vacuum forming, filling, sealing, and cutting through it. The highly concentrated laundry liquid is wrapped and shaped by the water-soluble PVA film, and finally turns into an individual pod.
And now here we are at the production plant. Do you know how it is possible to have a laundry pod packing machine that is perfectly suited to your production requirements? Look, this is a laundry pod packing machine which is ready for shipment.
In Polyva Super Factory, we always take the customer demand as the core orientation and build a complete service system from demand analysis to landing delivery. Whether it is the function, configuration, or appearance design of the equipment, we respond quickly, tailor-made for each customer to provide a comprehensive equipment customization program. After the process quality department audit and a number of testing control equipment off the production line, our team of engineers will quickly go to the customer site to provide professional equipment debugging and production training to ensure a smooth transition to mass production stage.
In terms of product development system, we have built a full chain of solution from lab to production line.
At the laboratory stage, we develop testing machines, including a pod's anti-pressure tester and 3 generations of lab-scale laundry pod sample making machines to assist in formulation development at the laboratory stage. Entering the production and fabrication stage, we provide multi-category flexible production products such as miniaturization, high-speed integration, and complex customization. At present, Polyva has formed a layout of 7 major product series, each model for the characteristics of the scene and user pain points for special optimization, to achieve a seamless transition from laboratory formulations to industrial production.
Look, this is our TD series high-speed automatic laundry pod packing machine.
By adopting Polyva's latest stack encapsulation technology, we have created a unique 3-dimensional pods, realizing a breakthrough in homogenized product styling.
Look, isn't it more 3D dimensional and more graphic? In addition to 3D molding technology, Polyva's pod packing machine has made important breakthrough in automatic film splicing and tension control, integrated vacuum integration technology, shape laser slitting technology, and precision filling technology. In terms of improving production efficiency, Polyva's pod packing machine greatly improves the whole line's ability to change production through one-click changeover, quick removal and replacement of the main rollers and other special features, and is able to respond to different production tasks more quickly. Besides, in terms of the film consumption rate, Polyva's equipment can achieve the consumption rate less than 3%. In the international arena, our equipment can reach to the most advanced level. Thank you for following our in-depth camera visit to Polyva. If you're looking for the right supplier of pod packing machine, warmly welcome to Polyva.